Welcome to 101 Archi-Design. In this video we will share an inspiration of modern industrial house which the design showcases a fusion of raw, textured materials with sleek design elements, reflecting a harmonious blend of rugged charm and contemporary sophistication. The structured lines and robust materials are ideal for urban dwellings where minimalism meets industrial elegance, creating a space that feels both stylish and durable. This house's exterior cleverly combines stone, metal, and wood in a unique way that celebrates the beauty of industrial architecture. The stone wall at the base adds a grounded, rustic element, contrasting with the sleek black metal used throughout the facade. This material interplay is a hallmark of urban house design, where functionality and form are balanced to meet the demands of city living. The wooden elements add warmth to the otherwise cool industrial palette, making the exterior inviting without compromising its modern edge. One of the standout features of this design is the use of a perforated metal screen on the upper level, which allows for light diffusion while providing privacy. This thoughtful approach ensures that natural light filters into the house, reducing the need for artificial lighting and enhancing the ambience. This balance of privacy and openness is a key consideration in modern house design, especially in densely populated urban areas where house owners seek both seclusion and connection to the outdoors. Despite its industrial look, the house's exterior integrates natural elements seamlessly. Small landscaped sections and carefully placed plants soften the hard lines of the structure, enhancing the visual appeal. In urban environments, greenery is a welcome addition, bringing life and vibrancy to a predominantly concrete landscape. This approach also reflects sustainable urban house design principles, where nature is incorporated to create a healthier and more aesthetically pleasing living space. entrance of this urban industrial house presents a striking, modern facade that combines functionality with a sleek aesthetic. The dark-toned metal slats on the doors introduce a sense of privacy and security while also creating a visually appealing linear texture. The subtle use of gold accents within the door design adds a hint of luxury to the otherwise minimalistic approach, elevating the overall look. Flanked by robust stone walls, the entrance feels both grounded and inviting, guiding guests into a space that clearly prioritizes elegance and industrial charm. In keeping with industrial house design principles, the entrance harmonizes with the natural surroundings by incorporating greenery on either side. The carefully selected plants and trees soften the stark lines of the metal and stone elements, adding warmth to the exterior. This interplay between modern, structured materials and organic forms reflects a thoughtful approach to urban house design, creating a welcoming yet sophisticated entryway that sets the tone for the rest of the house. The living room of this urban industrial house exudes modern sophistication, blending industrial elements with cozy furnishings for a balanced look. The dark tones of the walls and ceiling add a dramatic flair, making the space feel intimate yet grand. The expansive windows flood the room with natural light, contrasting beautifully with the darker interior and creating a seamless transition to the outdoors. The oversized sectional sofa in a neutral color anchors the room, offering ample seating and a comfortable gathering space for family and friends. A key feature of this living room is the sleek mezzanine that overlooks the main area. This upper level adds depth and dimension to the space, enhancing the room's open concept design. The mezzanine serves as both a functional and aesthetic element, providing an additional vantage point while maintaining the house's airy feel. The subtle use of lighting along the mezzanine railing not only highlights the architectural feature but also brings warmth and visual interest to the overall space. The industrial aesthetic is further emphasized by the materials used throughout the room, such as the concrete wall housing a built-in entertainment system. This wall, with its textured finish, serves as a focal point, embodying the raw appeal of industrial design while contrasting with the warmth of wooden cabinetry in the kitchen visible beyond the living room. The carefully chosen decor elements, including the coffee table and indoor plants, soften the industrial edge, creating a comfortable and stylish living space that feels both modern and inviting. The kitchen interior of this urban industrial house embodies a sophisticated blend of natural textures and modern elements. The cabinetry and island feature a stone-like texture that adds depth and a tactile quality to the space, giving it an industrial edge while maintaining a refined aesthetic. The dark wood cabinets surrounding the kitchen seamlessly blend with the gray-toned stone surfaces, creating a cohesive and minimalist look. The large windows bring in ample natural light, which enhances the earthy tones and brings warmth to the otherwise cool, industrial palette. Complementing this sleek design, the kitchen island doubles as a casual dining space, with stylish bar stools that introduce soft curves to balance the room's structured lines. Modern lighting fixtures above the island add a touch of elegance and sophistication, illuminating the workspace while accentuating the island's dark surface. The minimalistic decor, featuring a few carefully chosen elements like potted plants and chic dishware, underscores the industrial theme without overwhelming the design, creating a space that feels both functional and inviting. The bedroom interior of this urban industrial house is a serene blend of modern elegance and cozy warmth. Dark wall panels provide a sophisticated backdrop, while vertical wooden slats add texture and depth to the design. A soft, ambient glow behind the headboard highlights these slats, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere ideal for relaxation. The upholstered headboard in dark tones complements the bed's understated yet luxurious look, while the crisp white bedding offers a striking contrast that adds freshness to the space. Floor-to-ceiling curtains frame the large sliding glass doors, which open to a private outdoor area, seamlessly merging indoor comfort with outdoor tranquility. The subtle underbed lighting adds a contemporary touch and enhances the room's overall ambience, creating a soft, floating effect. Minimalistic bedside tables and modern light fixtures contribute to the room's clean and uncluttered feel, keeping the focus on comfort and style. This bedroom design strikes a perfect balance between industrial ruggedness and refined, cozy comfort. The bathroom interior of this urban industrial house is a luxurious retreat that merges natural beauty with modern elegance. Dark stone tiles on the floor and walls give the space a grounded, earthy feel, while the sleek fixtures maintain a refined, minimalist aesthetic. The floating vanity with dual sinks adds functionality and style, with warm wood cabinetry contrasting beautifully against the darker surfaces. Soft under-cabinet lighting highlights the textures of the materials, creating a soothing ambience ideal for relaxation. One of the standout features of this bathroom is its connection to the outdoors, achieved through a large glass door that opens to lush greenery. This seamless blend of indoor and outdoor elements brings tranquility and freshness to the space, enhancing the sense of calm and retreat. The backyard of this urban industrial home is a beautifully designed outdoor oasis that merges natural greenery with modern landscaping elements. Elevated planters filled with lush foliage and manicured bushes add depth to the space, creating multiple layers of greenery that enhance visual interest. The structured lines of the raised beds and walkways provide a sharp contrast to the organic shapes of the plants, striking a perfect balance between industrial structure and natural flow. This meticulous arrangement allows the space to feel both vibrant and orderly, aligning with the home's modern aesthetic. One of the key features of the backyard is the water feature that runs along the main pathway. The reflective water surface adds a serene, calming effect to the garden, inviting moments of relaxation and contemplation. Strategically placed trees and shrubs provide privacy and shade, while the lighting integrated into the landscape highlights these elements, making the backyard feel inviting even after dark. The thoughtful lighting design illuminates key features, such as trees and architectural plants, adding dimension and ambience in the evening. Adjacent to the greenery, an outdoor seating area is tucked under a covered extension of the home, providing a cozy spot for relaxation and entertaining. This seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces allows for a versatile lifestyle, catering to both private relaxation and social gatherings. The industrial materials of the seating area complement the home's overall design while allowing nature to be the focal point. This backyard combines elements of modern landscaping and lush plant life, creating a harmonious environment that feels like a retreat within an urban setting.